Hello students, welcome to Listen and Learn. Activity 39, Standard 8, English Bridge Course. This activity enables you to identify and use verbs. Main verb that shows the action or state of being of the subject. It can stand alone. Main verb sometimes can be linking verbs. The auxiliary. Auxiliaries are helping verbs, Sahayak Kriya. As they sound, they help. Support the main verb in different ways. A verb that is used with main verbs to show tense and grammatical aspect or to form questions are primary auxiliaries. Be, have, do are primary auxiliaries. Other auxiliaries are modal auxiliaries. Can, could, may, might, will, shall, would, should, must, ought often express the idea of necessity, possibility, ability, seeking permission, or obligation. Then, transitive, intransitive verbs. Sakarmak, akarmak kriya. Transitive verb is one that is used with an object. जैसे I admire your courage. She loves animals. He gave her a gift. The company offered me a job. Subject, verb, object. Sometimes two objects are there, direct object and indirect object. Intransitive verbs do not have objects. Verbs like cry, work, laugh, talk are intransitive, akarmak kriya. For example, the baby was crying. I work at home. They laughed loudly. Then singular and plural forms. Singular and plural forms of the verb. A singular verb is one that has an s added to it in the simple present tense, such as works, writes, plays, runs, helps, and the forms such as is, was, does, has are singular forms. A plural form does not have an s added. जैसे I write, they work, we go, etc. And plural forms are, were, have, do. Sheetal goes to school, singular form of the verb. They go to school, plural. He, she eat means only third person singular subjects use singular form of the verb. Keep in mind. Other subjects I, we, you, first and second person and third person plural they use plural form of the verb. Subject verb contract. In this activity, you have to identify verbs to act out, to understand action verbs, do maximum practice for different types of verbs, frame sentences with proper verb usage, use verbs appropriately according to the subject. Listen to the instructions carefully. Follow the instructions as per suggested guidelines. Go on searching, explore more activities related to this activity. Learning activity very simple. Look at the picture and write the action verbs. A small girl is dancing. The boy is running. This girl is skipping. This boy is eating. In the solved activity, underline the verbs from the following sentences. Betty is a good girl. Bina is dancing. Bani plays with her toys. All the verbs are in red color. Is dancing, plays. Read them carefully. In the practice activity, some verbs are highlighted here. Find out whether it is a main verb or an auxiliary helping verb. I will have the soup. Have, main verb. Will is the helping verb. Police are investigating the incident. Are, auxiliary verb, investigating, main verb. It is very peaceful here. Is, main verb, linking verb. Where does your brother work? Does, auxiliary verb, work is the main verb in this sentence. They have decided to go back. Have, auxiliary verb, decided, main verb. In the next activity, you have to write a paragraph with a verb in present tense and the same paragraph in past tense. See here. It is raining. People are running here and there. They are all wet. The children are enjoying the rain. The farmers are working in their fields. Trees are green and look fresh. The rain changes the face of the earth. All the sentences are in present tense. Then the same paragraph in past tense. It was raining. People were running here and there. They were all wet. The children were enjoying the rain. The farmers were working in their fields. Trees were green and looked fresh. The rain changed the face of the earth. In the same way, you can write any other paragraph in simple present tense or present tense and then make the proper changes to write the same paragraph in past tense. Evaluation. Color the action words red and the helping verbs blue. Read all the verbs. Ran, cook, can, laugh, be, should, save, think, does, color, must and so. I have written action words in red color and helping verbs in blue color. Ran, cook, save, laugh, think, color and so are action words or action verbs. Can, be, should, must, does are auxiliaries, helping verbs. Go on Diksha video with the given link to find more about verbs. Today you have learned to recognize verbs and their types. You have learned to use verbs as main verb and helping verbs. You have learned the usage of verbs correctly in speaking and writing. Now you can explore the related areas like subject-verb agreement. Students, do practice of all the aspects of verb. Complete the activity in your notebooks. We shall meet with a new activity very soon. Thank you.